Hello. I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look at AI news update. In 2023, the AI industry made significant advancements, including powerful language models, creative chatbots, and enhanced generative AI. These groundbreaking launches left audiences in awe and raised concerns about the future job landscape. Let's have a look at the top 5 AI launches of 2023. 1. Bard AI. Google introduced Bard AI, an early experiment, which was upgraded with the Gemini language model and is set to be further enhanced using the Gemini Ultra model. 2. Bing Chat. Microsoft introduced Bing Chat, a search engine incorporating generative AI, initially criticized for its mixed reviews. It now uses GPT-4 language model and OpenAI's DALL-E for image creation, indicating continued innovation. 3. GPT-4. OpenAI's GPT-4 language model, a successor to the GPT 3.5, was launched in the year, showcasing human-level performance and creativity. However, it requires a $20 per month ChatGPT Plus subscription. Later, GPT-4 Turbo was introduced, offering a larger context window for over 300 pages of text. 4. DALL-E 3. OpenAI's DALL-E, a text-to-image generating software, was introduced with DALL-E 3, integrated with ChatGPT, enabling users to create vivid prompts and bring their ideas to life. Initially exclusive to premium customers, it was later made accessible through Bing Chat. 5. Grok AI. Elon Musk has launched his AI company, xAI, with Grok AI, a chatbot inspired by The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. The chatbot offers witty responses and real-time world knowledge using data from the X platform. This venture challenges giants like Google and OpenAI, adding a touch of charisma to the AI landscape. AI launches in 2023 sparked excitement and apprehension, with users impressed by their creativity and problem-solving skills, but concerns about job displacement persisted. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to AajTak AI.